ngayong gabi ay di malalagpasin ang iyong hutilan at isipan na ikakalugi pamamagitan ng halingang upang gustuhin sa mga titing natutunaw ikaw mo unang araw yeah, baby such your sensuous and we should be mine on how it is would you give it to me baby just let me know when you're ready di na mahanap ng iba ikaw lang ang pinakamaganda kung gusto makasama yeah kanta ako I see me on my bed in my room, holding hands while we do. Cause I'm way too easy. Cause baby I don't mind, I can stand good times just to make you mine, make you feel. Cause I was sitting on my sofa with you, running up on the windows with you, but I love getting closer with you, baby. Tell me how things gonna live my meron lang isang problema ngayong araw. Kasi usually, itong second verse na to, pero kasamang kumanta dito. So, by any chance, sino ang kaya kumanta ng second verse? Can you raise your hand? Can you raise your hand? Sino pinaka-confident? Ikaw? Ikaw? Pero alam mo, marami ako nakikita eh. Ang dami nakataas. Ready sila eh, na mag-duet. Ikaw? Alin dito? The girl with the black shirt. There you go. So, what's your name?
Sharina.
Sharina. Nakita ko yung ano mo.
Ako yung side.
Saan? Oh, sa Acer. Hindi na tuloy. So ngayon, ready ka na ba? Ready ka na kumanda lang sa Acer? Matagal mo na pinagandaan to?
Yes.
Okay, pipili lang ako ng tatlo. Okay, at the count of 3, kakantayin mo. Kabisado mo yung lyric?
Yes.
Okay, dapat sumabay kayo ha? Okay? Okay, ready?
I can't live without your touch. Nothing more than I want.